Welcome to our YouTube channel. In the process of STEM and robotics learning, a student should be well versed with the basic electronics hardware that he might be using in designing various electronic projects. As such, we are going to highlight the importance of one important electronic device called transistor, a three-terminal device that has two broader applications. One, it can be used as an amplifier. Another, it can be used as a switch. Here, in this video, we are going to demonstrate the application of transistor as a switch. Here is the circuit diagram for the transistor as a switch. Let's check what we require for it. A multimeter for transistor testing and voltage measurement. A DC power supply, 5 volt 1 ampere. Red color probe we are using for positive terminal, black for negative terminal. Jumper wires or simply connecting wires. Two 1 kilo ohm resistors to be used at base and collector. An LED. A transistor. Here we use NPN transistor BC547. A breadboard upon which the circuit should be designed. Let's mount the transistor on the breadboard. Identifying the terminals starting from right: emitter, base, collector. Connecting the base resistor. Then we connect collector resistor here from collector to VCC. Base resistor, collector resistor. Here we connect emitter to the ground. Emitter to ground terminal. Next, we use a jumper wire to take a connection out from collector to be used as an output, where we are placing an LED. This is an LED that we are placing at this output terminal with respect to ground. Here is the ground line of the circuit, VCC line. Let's realize the circuit operation. For that, we need to connect the power supply. Turning on the power supply. There are two cases for supplying input. In the first case, we connect input to ground. We can see LED is glowing, indicating that the output approaches to VCC. This is because the transistor in this case is operating in cutoff mode. In the next case, we connect input to VCC. Here we can see LED has turned off. This is because the transistor in this case is operating in the saturation region and the output has dropped to zero level. This way, the operation of the transistor as a switch features its application for being used as an inverter in digital electronics, where the output is 1 for a low input level of voltage and is low for a high input level of voltage. That's it.